You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more names of famous places around the UK, many mispronounced, so make sure to stay tuned to learn more. Balmoral, Balmoral. Stress on that second mo syllable. Balmoral, as in Balmoral Castle or Balmoral Estate. It's easy, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.